Thank God it's Friday. World of entertainment. Yeah, Drew swore. And even I'm a day some of base nature. But in the Sandra, he made a Adom entertainment. I'm a Ghana for Chimois.
When you start sending, where do you go? Or guy? Sister Sunday be a guy.
Remwana can osmose, so I said Donald Trump. Now, Nana says osmosis is carbon.
We a guy, we a guy.
Minion can osmosis. None a year pharmacist. What I say, with your for a time a more. Mark Weber, I am a director, Santia Chima good this year, Jaffrey Nana, one of the machine chia, will me a boba inside and swa. Uncle Thomas, Ejna camera next year will make sure say be she won't say a brand here by Prince. And so then a gusa. Mamma qua baby, mamma, yeah, one no a. I'm a refinity. Olamikel, is Olamikel. On your spoon or himself time, she make up the party say, Obia, but she don't say, Yenta by and chase and say, Ghana's entertainment perfect. And it's not so small, Bonsemba of Fachami. Ah, yes, it is. What's more and some of the Pinana, a young starting free. Young famous Africans why if a show na air course on Netflix no say your rep room Nigeria for Tanzania for Ghana Fantana and air represent here na okwa social no so I slippery and for say I was saying ka ya de hajia for real and air represent here and I make sure say on say producers of the show no enye executive producing you sika obetimi a suggest because muntina ye decide you medie no Peace Hide na ye producer by the way Peace Hide Ghana ni enti no I say Peace Hide back in kind na watie musufre omo se yan fa Hajia represent no be say Hajia nte bro for masa ba ne ho efe hey Ghana and obi say Hajia can't speak good English we want Charlie Dion rather Mama mincha comments in here and to us why in here na me kwa na me think yemfa Jackie Apia anase na na akuado sa maya mienu betimi afesi Zara ene ani wo house so a enye better cry into no we dey Peace Side we dey yenti na mo yeshu no se yenhwe mombo modin se mode what they saying Jackie Apia anase ba kwi di sen kwa na na akuado because omo de be me my pint no em say obi wo asemi mo de mo no wa set ring light o can be on mo ntie ne mre
onim say Hajia for real e wa hanmanka ono so betimi a represent Ghana e wo young famous Africa no but because everything about Hajia from betimi compete with Zari. But let's put that aside. Now we are on Fantana. Fantana is a gamer. Fantana is really playing this game where Fantana is the best. Let me tell you, without Fantana, this young famous African, without Fantana, Diamond, Zari, and Annie, these four people are making the show very interesting.
Yeah, that's I joined yeah, because Mountain show, yeah, that's it. I say I call English lessons. Now English lecturer no ebe Dinah Samoa. Or the same year by evangelist Dinah Samoa has advised her fans to improve their English skills. Oh my God. Okay. As she plans to release all her music in English this year, starting with her upcoming album titled Stepping Stone. Now, Sister Penny, Worcester fans improve your mobile. Patchway the wadaro may need him how far. Say once no way improve it and the moment and your more person what they bought was any album ning now but on a brofum. Asamaba could see bra.
I make catcher will be said. My next album ebeba this year after 2 days Stepping Stone. Stepping Stone. This time me mamu tree bebre. I mean your mammy de bebem. My mom brofuna ye bebre chini ba ketu amti so on table for start ko brofu school nya dia me meje jam ho Ghana ama mo de brofo aha me da because my God is a teacher He's a professor. Our God, Jesus Christ, is a professor. He's a teacher. He's a neology and neology. Put your hands together for Jesus.
Put your hands together for Dinah.
Ana me catch the ubis.
Ola Mikel, Osmo. Put your hands together for Dinah. Mommy. I mean, can't someone show. Ghana, your language, tree. They be a mecasa, dear Nisa mobility, a brofo. Oh, because Brony, oh, yam fetchy in Tati Bruni, yam beside Bruni say, won't me mube. But I can't offer no tea no more this show, but as sounds a good say, Nipa ube who brofoka. Somebody I could pay baby. Na Bruni, no, who I was even night at your chin come on. Don't say a funny affair. Ah, wait a minute, quite a sim so. Yeah, that's sorry, there's a business mogul, Twum Barima. What Rolls Royce no crown chair, cry, branting. Business people, bit is a coupali, musede. Or munim ne pan, limusania, or bray and sand the wardrobe pempers, or Rolls Royce and chair. In fact, Rolls Royce, what's am I making? A video. Rolls Royce, no. 2025 edition, he was the only person in Africa. Okrebio, and it's a car, no, the Akoshiwi. Now, no, me call comment session, no. And go for saying if free fear, just somebody be free fear. If you for that, say, yes, say over speeding. So, be a debate pim, no, since you're a toy, say airport too. And when I fear for a straight bullets. So, there, check out Crabana, I was some.
Forget it. Umbrella, no. Umbrella, no.
Enti say na ekoye otoye no say na make only the only person in Africa me go bisa kana one ne kupali mo assume ho kana ani omo na omo nka abanti asamoncho ye nto aso Shatawale on say ebiaba eba ne sana na asemo ye ne so sister Sandy oh ye Shatawale story dodo na sister Sandy upe Shatawale asem say we enter sa wodofo. Also, no, I will say, I'm the news. I'll make you keep talking. And I quite say, and yes, I may shut any BBU. I don't know. Oh, yes, so I hire half for the stories, no, for the positive stories, no. I didn't know about Betomdi. Ghana's entertainment professor, Sister Sandy. I was a mitchum. Shut up, born you be 1 week in ye. Oh, 1 week in ye, pepe pa. And you're number 2. It's other than any say, and what's a yeka? The guy is doing well. Because me sure so favorite to go release your ma or had a promo say bear 1 month and a home meeting bear 1 month and a home meeting na emfa go fiam pedo me da ase enti we no 1 week in ye oh yeah 1 week in ye I will release in no the song is doing well with huge numbers this is one of the guys on the onye promo. Thank you. On say onye promo on high obi onye promo bi abanyum na ankasa de ne honam eda number 2. It was more bomba guy because this is how we like it on the streets. Ghanaian artists omobu omohumadi. Let's see her. Mami tweet, you know. Well, they told her 25th January. Now what was on Shatawale ankasa free Jamaica buy no. Onye nyema no. Onye bibia nti no oyesa opesa okoka no asa wo okoka no abekekam ye jai ye ko Jamaica no ye hunie ma foforo ye jai sa nyema ningi na se woka SM boss SM fans no ene nu bedi I tweet in a way because my boss na free Jamaica buy a vice cartel see na dance walking no say ken no me ni say ken wajai enye also, my life has not been the same since I returned from Jamaica. Wow. Out of 4, wow, so. Thank you, Ghana. Thank you, Jamaica. Thank you, SM fans. Africa Dance Hall King. Osmoja Tumame, dear she, boom, 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 boom. Okay, Jamaica, bye. We are different. Banoka, Bonsema SM fans, because Satis, Bia, or fan base to say SM fans. Satis, and community, because it's the fans. And they making a sound. God bless all SM fans. What? Na yan twaso. Hope I saw Kokana Jina home. Yes, I won't feel to Obekano Jina home. Ko SM fa you are 05 on Kwa you are shatter the baba. Flex Germain. Sanko for me and Sanko straight bullet. To Bekana Jina home. Make home for Jina home. What? Yan twaso. Me assure say we are aware say Kiddy. Ene Kwame Eugene omungi na ye signed under Lens Entertainment me boa my blue ka ho DSL ka ho Lens for no kwa ho bi Coca Adina ka ho na say Adina no e Kwame fache eti dia wonim ne say ye fa bi 360 sa 360 no you know record label no won betro nyo mama record label no ombepe collabo amount record label be ye promo amount sa so na sika ne ba revenue no record label ne betete etina okopie mu Hit FM no ena na Richie ma yate ase say Kiddy ni DSL pe ene freelance entertainment a omo ya under sa 360 management no na ese Kwame Eugene there praise be asafo de no honam won say Eugene otimi tro ne nwom otimi produce as a maybe something to Kiddy want me intro producer and I say dear but would say Eugene fast and we in who free sa 360 nim because enter out of kabai now sikading in air 360 nti anu na Richie tray mu say Kiddy any DSL nti afọ say Kiddy ni Eugene no me sure say by now no okay you so trying see so up and down see so tina no masamba.
I want to ask, you know, you try to go in there and he brought in a certain answer, but we want to be clear. So far, said how many artists are there in Links now?
Oh, there are 3 artists on a 360 deal. So there's Kiddy, there's DJ Veroski, and there's DSL.
Okay. Wakari was you know here.
Then when you say 3 artists on 360, it means there are some left who are not on 360.
Yes.
So now because we have distribution, anybody can sign on to the distribution. So the 360 deal means we handle everything for you.
Yeah.
That one, if you're Sadat TSF, if we are hungry,
you go get something to chop.
Exactly. But the distribution means that we are handling your music going out there. So it can come with advances, but it's not an.
Enti by now no say Kwame Eugene shoe krati a wono na bepam na ade ba Kiddy shoe ti omo super glue a omo de beso ama no san so na ekomo de yi a Kiddy a omo timi oda aduane ma no ba Eugene ekomo de na jiso no ato fair deal what I say say sika ne ban so a ye beti afim aduane e to ma Kiddy na tade ete esa ne owo twi mu no eye Rich na ni daho woni mama obeta no mani daho family business no mo ye teteka etwiaka tete wate I'm fancy pa na eagle and a shirt adi eagle wear just say a pam che ye water sano same building with Starbite restaurant shoshe eagle cha kwan the material and the sewing no made in Ghana material we ko eagle benya bi ato was the pam dress afa pam me so me guys me pede the pam shirt ne ade ma sha meche guys na ebe ti shoshe eagle cha kwan water sano same building with Starbite restaurant. Ken Osmosis, Olamikel, my sound engineer, so mobile machidom, MCR, HR Miguye, Esther Ann, a coloche, a makeup department, on Ijimai Mani Tree, Menim, a Mame, Mark Weber, a Santia Chimago go this year, a Jaffrey and Nana, or no name director, Madasipi Weber, Mr. Thomas, and Afe Prince, HR Miguye, and Famani. So I'm the guy's queen, and Shromausi, and Shannon Kolani, say, another trip. Kwa jiji enia kwa siada mwe huni ngina kama wate The guys, same time, Monday, same channel. Bye for now.
Where the